What's up, guys? We're here in the Clubhouse. We're going to go live. We're doing the giveaways for the auctions. It's 1:35 p.m. here in Denver. 1:35. Got the list right here, guys. We got Stavs on top and Wes on the bottom. We're going to go 3 times, and top 10 are all going to win something extra or just win something for free if you didn't win any auctions. So here you go, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Dylan, you win the clear cut box. Gonna do that last timestamp. It's in at 136. 136. So I'm gonna go and grab the top 10 names. Dylan down to Gordon. So Dylan, you got the clear cut box. Tim, the $30 PayPal. Michael, you got the classics lot. Dave, the Enrique auto. Chris Michael, you got the Edmondson auto. Paul Romano, the Young Gun lot. Anthony McMalley, the 3 jersey lot. Michael Willis, you get the Ward auto. Aaron, you get the In the Game 2-card lot. And Gordon, you get the Cuckoo SPX. Congrats, guys.